Bert and Kip. Episode 6. The car ride. The car went up the track. "We're driving a car," said Kip. "I don't think I like this," said Bert. The car went higher. Then Bert smiled. "Wow, look at the ocean, Kip," said Bert, "and look at those buildings." But Kip was not looking. Kip was covering his eyes. "I don't think I like this," he said. Now the car went down fast. "Whee!" said Bert. cried Kip. The car made sharp turns. It went up and down, up and down. It went very fast. "This is fun," said Bert. "This is not fun," cried Kip. Finally, the car stopped. Kip jumped out. "That was just like flying," said Bert. "I am glad you have had fun, Bert, said Kip. "But I am never driving a car again. Now let's go home and fix your nest."